Alright, this is literally the first time flying a drone. I picked up a Mavic Pro and a Mavic Mini. This is the Mavic Pro. Just flying it right behind my house, seeing what's going on back there, mostly just getting used to the controllers. So you'll see I'm a little herky-jerky on it, and I don't know how to focus it or adjust any of that kind of stuff, but just flying around back here, and I don't know if you'll notice it. Well, I'll put a little marker on it that I saw something back here and I didn't notice it until I went back and looked at my footage. So you'll turn it this way, and right here I'm like, hey, I'm going to go look at a straw maze that's over here. But then if you see right up in that river, right there's something standing in the water. And like I said, I didn't notice that until I got back to the house to look at the footage. But you'll see I fly back and check out what that is. Can you guess what it is? I thought maybe a fisherman or something. Anyway, flying it over to the straw maze again. This is the Mavic Pro, not the Pro 2, but I'm very pleased with it. And here's the straw maze. I've been to one of these once with my kids. Thought it would be easy to find my way out. Looked at my watch and figured, okay, let's get out of here now. And then I went out the entrance, and my kids are like, this is the entrance. So we turned around, or they turned around. I had to chase them, and it took forever to find our way back out. I don't even know if this would help to take a snapshot of this and find your way out. Probably not, because it looks kind of confusing. But some people enjoy that kind of thing. So I'm just standing in my backyard looking at the footage. Kind of cool. I see someone walking right there, and then I don't want to upset anyone, so I fly it back home. So this is what was behind my house. And you can see right there's a bull moose. I didn't see that one standing there in the dark shadows. So I'll just let you enjoy the footage of this. I didn't know how to focus it, but here's my first time flying a drone. Definitely go buy a drone. You won't regret it.